Welcome riders! Are you ready to take your motorcycle adventures to the next level? Today, we're diving into the world of motorcycle cameras, uncovering the top picks that will revolutionize the way you capture your journeys. From breathtaking landscapes to adrenaline-pumping rides, these cameras are designed to keep up with your passion for two wheels. Stay tuned as we explore the 7 best motorcycle cameras that every rider needs in their gear arsenal. Number 1. Insta360 X3 Battery Kit, the ultimate companion for capturing every twist, turn, and thrill in stunning 5.7K 360 degrees HDR video. Designed with the needs of motorcyclists in mind, this action camera offers unparalleled versatility and performance. Its compact and durable design ensures it can handle even the most rugged rides, while the included battery kit keeps you filming for longer. Equipped with advanced features such as 360 degrees active HDR video, the Insta360 X3 delivers breathtakingly immersive footage that truly puts viewers in the driver's seat. Whether you're exploring winding mountain roads or tearing up the track, this camera captures every moment with clarity and precision. But it's not just about the visuals. The Insta360 X3 also boasts impressive effectiveness, with intuitive controls and seamless connectivity allowing you to focus on the ride while still capturing stunning footage. Plus, its durability means you can trust it to withstand whatever the road throws your way, ensuring it's always ready to document your next adventure. Number 2. AKASO EK7000 Action Camera. Designed for thrill seekers and outdoor enthusiasts, this compact yet powerful camera delivers stunning 4K 30fps video and breathtaking 20MP photos that capture every moment with crystal clear detail. Featuring support for an external microphone, the AKASO EK7000 ensures that you can capture high-quality audio to complement your epic footage, whether you're revving through scenic landscapes or tearing up the trails. Its durable design is built to withstand the rigors of any ride, with a rugged exterior that can handle bumps, splashes, and even the occasional tumble. Plus, with an intuitive interface and easy-to-use controls, you can focus on the action without missing a beat. But it's not just about durability and performance. The AKASO EK7000 also offers unparalleled effectiveness, with advanced features like built-in Wi-Fi and HDMI connectivity, allowing you to share your adventures with the world in real time. Number 3. DJI Action 2 Power Combo. This dynamic duo includes the DJI Action 2 camera and extended battery module, offering unbeatable performance and versatility for capturing your rides in stunning detail. With its sleek and compact design, the DJI Action 2 is built to accompany you on all your adventures, from adrenaline-pumping rides to scenic road trips. Equipped with a high-quality 4K camera, it delivers crisp and vibrant footage that brings your experiences to life. But what sets the DJI Action 2 apart is its extended battery module, which provides extended recording time, ensuring you never miss a moment of the action. Say goodbye to worrying about running out of juice mid-ride. With a power combo, you can focus on the road ahead with confidence. Built to withstand the demands of outdoor use, the DJI Action 2 is durable and rugged, capable of handling whatever challenges the road throws your way. Plus, with advanced features like rock-steady stabilization and HDR video, you can capture smooth and professional-looking footage every time. Don't settle for ordinary action cameras. Unleash your creativity and capture your motorcycle adventures in stunning detail with the DJI Action 2 Power Combo. Number 4. Moto 360 Camera in White, the perfect companion for capturing every twist and turn in stunning detail. Designed with sleekness and functionality in mind, this compact camera seamlessly integrates with your gear, ensuring you never miss a moment of your adventure. Featuring a wide-angle lens and high-resolution capabilities, the Moto 360 camera delivers crystal-clear footage that truly immerses viewers in the thrill of the ride. Its intuitive controls and easy-to-use interface make it a breeze to operate, allowing you to focus on the road ahead while still capturing unforgettable memories. Crafted with durability in mind, the Moto 360 camera is built to withstand the rigors of motorcycle travel, from rough terrain to unpredictable weather conditions. Whether you're cruising through city streets or exploring off-road trails, this camera is up to the challenge, ensuring reliable performance wherever your journey takes you. But it's not just about durability. The Moto 360 camera is also highly effective, with features like image stabilization and low-light optimization ensuring your footage is always crisp and vibrant, even in challenging conditions. Don't settle for ordinary footage. Capture your motorcycle adventures in style with the Moto 360 camera in white. Order yours today and start reliving your rides like never before. Number 5. Sena 10C EVO Motorcycle Bluetooth Camera and Communication System. This innovative device seamlessly combines cutting-edge camera technology with advanced communication capabilities, revolutionizing the way you ride and capture your adventures. Crafted with both style and functionality in mind, the Sena 10C EVO boasts a sleek and compact design that seamlessly integrates into your helmet setup. Its versatile mounting options ensure easy installation on various helmet types, while its durable construction ensures reliable performance ride after ride. Equipped with a high-definition camera, the Sena 10C EVO allows you to capture every moment of your journey with stunning clarity. Whether you're cruising along scenic highways or tackling challenging off-road terrain, this camera delivers crisp and vibrant footage that truly brings your adventures to life. But the Sena 10C EVO isn't just a camera, it's also a powerful communication system. With built-in Bluetooth connectivity, you can stay connected with fellow riders and take calls hands-free while on the road. Plus, its advanced noise control technology ensures clear audio quality even at high speeds. Designed for maximum effectiveness and durability, the Sena 10C EVO is the ultimate companion for motorcycle enthusiasts who refuse to compromise on quality. Elevate your riding experience and capture every moment with the Sena 10C EVO Motorcycle Bluetooth Camera and Communication System. Number 6. VSYSTO S Duo Bike Motorcycle Helmet Cameras. Featuring Wi-Fi HD 1080p front and rear cameras for comprehensive coverage. Engineered for riders who demand top-notch performance, these cameras deliver unparalleled clarity and reliability on every journey. With a sleek and aerodynamic design, the VSYSTO helmet cameras seamlessly integrate into your riding gear, providing unobtrusive yet effective surveillance. Whether you're commuting through the city or exploring remote trails, these cameras capture every moment with stunning detail. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily stream and share your rides in real time, keeping friends and family updated on your adventures. Plus, with 1080p resolution, both front and rear cameras ensure crystal clear footage, allowing you to relive your rides with vivid clarity. Built to withstand the demands of motorcycle travel, the VSYSTO cameras are rugged and durable, capable of enduring harsh weather conditions and rough terrain. Rain or shine, these cameras deliver reliable performance, ensuring you never miss a beat. From safety to entertainment, the VSYSTO Bike motorcycle helmet cameras offer unmatched effectiveness and versatility. Number 7. Sound Around Gear Pro High Definition Sport Action Camera. Offering stunning 1080 resolution and a host of features designed to capture every exhilarating moment of your ride. With its sleek and compact design, this camera seamlessly integrates into your biking setup, ensuring minimal interference while providing maximum performance. Equipped with advanced HD technology, the Sound Around Gear Pro delivers crisp and clear footage that truly immerses viewers in the action. Whether you're tearing up the trails or cruising through city streets, this camera captures every twist, turn, and jump with breathtaking clarity. But the Sound Around Gear Pro isn't just about high-quality video. It's also built for durability and reliability. Constructed with rugged materials and designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, this camera is ready to take on any adventure, rain or shine. With features like waterproof casing and shock-resistant construction, you can trust the Sound Around Gear Pro to keep up with your biking exploits, no matter where the trail leads. Plus, with easy-to-use controls and intuitive functionality, you can focus on the ride while the camera handles the rest. Don't settle for ordinary biking footage. Capture your adventures in stunning HD with the Sound Around Gear Pro High Definition Sport Action Camera. And there you have it, folks. We've unveiled the ultimate arsenal of motorcycle cameras to fuel your passion for riding and capturing unforgettable moments. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more thrilling content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep the rubber side down and the cameras rolling. Ride safe.